So being grandfathered, I think, is probably the most critical thing to selling a solar home and the value to the next buyer. So grandfathering means that you have locked in an export value to the utility of full credit, meaning every hour, kilowatt hour that you send to the grid, you get that hour back in full credit that you can then trade each day, each month, throughout the year. Being grandfathered means that that credit is now locked in at that full value for 20 years. And that's important because that grandfathering is not to you as an APS or SRP client, it's to the meter of your home. So when you sell the home, that actually transfers to the next homeowner. They are also grandfathered as long as they stay on the current rate plan. That's important because if they switch to a different rate plan, the utility will take away that grandfathering. So you want to make sure that next buyer understands they have to stay on that current rate plan. But the value in doing that means that in the future, many of the homes that I've worked with, for example, in 10 years of solar, I offered leases that had a fixed rate, meaning the payment did not go up. That would also be assumable. So when they're grandfathered, not only are they getting a full value on the export rate that they send to the utility, they're also getting a locked-in rate for the lease. That's also transferable. All those are really important factors and considerations to the buyer. The important thing to understand now is since September 1st, APS has now changed the program where if you buy a home now and you do solar, you'll only get 10 years at a 12.9 cents export rate, which is a little bit less than retail now and will not go up in the future. So the value is really on the side of those homes that did solar before that and got full grandfathering. And I believe that's the segment of the market in real estate that's going to be looking for that. So buyers, once they become more educated through solar realtors like myself, they are going to start looking for homes that are especially grandfathered, and that's what we specialize in at Greenleaf Realty.